how to turn off commenting on a post on your Instagram account. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in our channel. So let's start. First, you will just go to Instagram and open it, and then when your Instagram is opening guys, go to profile here, click on profile, open it, and then go to the image of the or video or post that you wanna turn off commenting. Go to this 3 point here, then click turn off commenting, and that's it. As you see now, no one can comment on my post. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.